Certificate 2 in Building Construction studies the following units. Press pause to read these units. This subject can be used as credits for VCE without a study score, or as a VET subject gaining VET credits for VCAL. In Year 11, we will mainly focus on the use of hand tools and create projects that you can take home. The theory component of this course will be completed online under the guidance of TAFE Gippsland. In Year 12, Units 3 and 4, you will study the following units. During the year, we will focus on the construction of a domestic building. Our plan is to build a full-size scale project, following the Australian standards and all building codes and regulations. On the completion of this certificate, you will gain a level of competency in Certificate 2 Pre-Apprenticeship Carpentry. I would recommend this subject to anyone wanting an apprenticeship in any of the building trades, as it supplies a solid foundation for understanding all that happens on a building site, and that reading plans and measurements are essential for all trades. Please watch the remainder of these photos to get an idea of the type of work that we carry out on site at Yarram Secondary College.